Okay, here we go. We're going to do some matrix multiplication, and as you might have suspected, it's pretty straightforward. Let's jump out just so that we can remind ourselves of the process in case we've forgotten. Remember, you need to press the options button to give you the options that you can feed into your command. So I want this to say mat, so I press options, mat, and then what I want it to do is give me the word mat for matrix. So matrix alpha A, and I'm going to multiply it by matrix alpha B. And there it is. Remember that B was the identity matrix and A was 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm expecting my answer to be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's done the right thing. Alright, what if I use this det here? This det stands for the determinant. So if I found the determinant of matrix alpha A, just like that, there it is, minus 2. Oh, is that the correct answer, you say? Well, remember that my matrix A was 1, 2, 3, 4. So I find the determinant by multiplying 1 and 4, which is 4, and subtracting 2 times 3, which is 6. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So that answer is correct. Finding the inverse of a matrix is equally straightforward. The key that we need to use for the inverse is a bit difficult to see. It's up above the close brackets here. So see the kind of shadow key that's above the close bracket says x to the power of minus 1, which is a shorthand symbol for inverse sometimes. So what we're going to do is take our matrix, so mat alpha A, and we're simply going to inverse it. Shift, close brackets, and see now it says mat A to the power of negative 1. So it's telling it to find the inverse of the matrix A, and there it is there. It's also nicely telling you what the determinant is, which is kind of it. What do you think the inverse of the identity matrix will be? Remember, B was the identity matrix for 2 by 2. Let's give it a try. So mat alpha B, shift, close brackets. So we're going to find the inverse of the B matrix, and it's just the identity matrix, of course, because it's the identity matrix. Alright, one more thing. What if you want to multiply matrix A by itself, so matrix A squared? You would do this. F1 brings up the mat symbol, alpha A, and then I'm going to press the x squared button, and it's going to square that matrix there. Nice, hey? Makes things nice and easy. One more. What if I wanted to cube the matrix we've called A? So matrix alpha A. Now there's no cubed button on here, so I'm going to use what I call the hat key. It actually means to the power of. So A to the power of 3, which is the same as A cubed. And there it is there. Okay, go and do some practice and have fun.